Hey everyone, welcome to Shopify tutorial series. This is Kamarul and today I am going to show you how to add estimated delivery dates to your Shopify store product page. This will be help your customers know when their order will arrive, which can make them happier and it can significantly improve your sales and reduce cart abandonment. So let's get started. Log in your Shopify admin panel, go to the dashboard and click on the apps. Now search app and sales settings. Go to the app store. Now search here estimated delivery date. Estimated delivery date. So you will see lots of app. I will use this app estimated delivery date plus. It's a very good review 4.8. So just click on the install. If you want to see the demo, you can click on the view demo store. You will see this after add to cart and buy it now button, this free shipping and order date, order ready and delivery date. So go to the app and click install. Now click on the again install. This app successfully installed. Now we need to customize this app based on our requirements. So it's open already. Dashboard, go to click on dashboard and widget. By default, it's open. Now you can change, customize this text based on your requirements. But make sure this can if you want to show the country plug, country name, cut-off time, and order delivery minimum date and order delivery maximum time. So other text you can change. Available all available variable you will see here. Just used based on your requirements. So uh, I show it that by default text and go to the bottom custom out of stock message. Just is none. Progress bar mode. You can change this progress bar. This progress bar advanced. This is advanced and this is basic. So you can change based on your requirements. Also, if you want to the hide order ready, you can hide disable from here. Click on disable. Just change it. And this is order delivery. You can change the delivery name. Okay, by default, I just enable it and make it advanced. And now go to the settings, order delivery working day. So you can select and unselect this delivery day and mini order delivery minimum day. You can I just make it 2 day, 3 day, and maximum 5 day. Okay. Order delivery working day calculation mode, minimum day and maximum day. You can use only minimum day. You can use none. Also order ready working day is if you have a off day Friday and Sunday, sorry, Saturday and Sunday, so you can uncheck it. Other day will be default or bisect and minimum day 1 and maximum day 3 day order will be ready. Again order ready working day calculation mode you can change. You can try any everyone which one is better for you. And holiday, this is countdown settings. You can change the format. Zero fading. Select cutoff time. You can increase and decrease the cutoff time and time zone. Countdown mode. Okay, that's it in the settings. Appearance. You can change this widget layout mode. Progress bar. widget, message, text widget. You can use only the message, only the progress bar. We just use message that by default message text widget and progress bar widget. Widget placement method. This is most important. So you can use this automatic and theme 2.0. Also manual. You can use manual. So I just select 2.0 and widget placement page. You want to only show the product page or all page. So I will show only the product page for now. So I select only the on the product page. And widget margin, you can increase decrease widget margin. Message text widget appearance, you can change the border color and other padding, increase and decrease the padding and margin. Also you can customize the style progress by style. Model pop-up country appearance configuration, show country mode, arrow down position. Everything you can customize based on your requirements. So the good app advanced cart and checkout student delivery date message. You can enable and disable on the cart and checkout page. Other you can add your custom CSS here. Now go to the now click on this activate app extension and also make sure this enable estimated date delivery date plus click enable. Now activate it from here is activated. Click on save. So it's visible your store. My store is visible now. If I deactivate it, it will be hide. So just activate again and click save. Now visit my store, go to the product. So this product is sold out. That's why it's not visible here. Okay, see that's this product. You will see this estimated delivery date, order ready, and delivery. Click save. So let's check the product. You can apply this delivery date only for specific product or all product. So by default, it's ready on all product category. You can select the category and plan. There is a three plan: free plan, basic, and pro. So by default, free plan you can use the product settings to manage 100 product quota, manage one holiday quota. This is the basic plan. FAQ. If you have any questions, you can check it here. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribing our channel for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or if there is something specific you would like to learn about, leave a comment below. We are always here to help you make the most of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Happy selling.